Hey guys, it's Lori from Peace 9 Art here, and I am so glad you're here with me again today. Really appreciate you coming back. Where's my scissors? I swear, good thing they weren't a snake, because I'd put my hands right on them. Gotta keep in mind this is a lion wearing a beanie, apparently making videos. So maybe he's got a ring light or something. Ha ha ha. I wonder what kind of light a lion would have out in the savannah. Natural light. He would be doing it out in the sunlight, right? Why would he have? Where would he plug in a light? But I mean, quite frankly, if he's a lion out in the savannah making videos, I mean, come on, where is he even plugging in his phone to upload the video? They're plugging in a computer to upload videos or edit them or whatever, right? This whole thing is Fantasyland. So yeah. But that's looking okay. I'm not mad at how that looks. Get up close where you can see it. Okay, so I still got some work to do on this guy, but check out this, how this beanie is sitting on him. I'm real happy with how that looks. I'm going to want to twist these down so that they look like they're sticking out from below the beanie. But I'm real happy with that. Look at that. That came out cool. I'm happy with that.